Kairi Pudina Chutney. Ingredients: raw mango kachi kairi half cup, jaggery good half cup, mint leaves pudina 1 cup, green chilies hari mirch 4, garlic lehsun 4, turmeric haldi 1 teaspoon, salt as required, cumin seeds jeera 1 tablespoon, vinegar sirka 2 tablespoons. Take half cup chopped raw mango in a grinder jar. Add 4 green chilies and 4 garlic cloves. Salt. One tablespoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 2 tablespoons vinegar. And 1 cup mint leaves. Grind to a fine paste. Do not add water while grinding. Remove the paste in a large bowl. And add half cup jaggery. Mix well till the jaggery dissolves completely. Sweet, sour and spicy Kairi Pudina chutney is ready to be served. Enjoy this chutney with all kinds of fried snacks. Store in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 weeks.